Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I have a Cobra 29LTD Chrome today. Simple tune-up, 636 mic. This is for Chris in California. Chris on the swap meter, I have 10 watts across the top scale. Coming in just under 5. And on my peak reading meter, 50 watt slug, so we'll be reading power in here. Right in between 20 and 30. That's 25, that little mark in the middle there.
Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check.
And let's put it on here. See if we can get a radio check on 19 today. Kind of noisy out there. Oh, that's awful.
That's a lot of noise out there. I wonder if anybody can hear me anyway. Audio, check. I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much. You drive safe.